Meet Emma. Like many of us, Emma has been working from home since March when the lockdown began. She's gained a bit of weight over the years and lockdown added more pounds. She's getting worried about her health and doesn't want to end up a health statistic. Getting to a healthy weight and maintaining it is going to be a priority for many of us. It's not just about getting rid of the extra pounds, it's about avoiding obesity, which is a major risk factor for a COVID-19 episode. As well as this, it's also about preventing many common diseases like type 2 diabetes. Did you know that there are major risk factors including high BMI, high blood pressure, high blood glucose, and high cholesterol? These add to the development of many common diseases. Sadly, by the end of this video, someone will have been told that they are pre-diabetic or that they are at risk of cardiovascular diseases. These ailments can come from many sources: our genetics, diet, lifestyle choices, and the environment that we live in. But there is some good news. We can't change the genes that we are born with, but we can give them the right signals to further protect us from disease and even weight gain. How? We do this by analysing your genetic makeup and matching this to the right nutrition and lifestyle, the things we can control. That is why our team of doctors, scientists, and nutritionists have designed the Optimal Health Test. Our Optimal Health Test looks at the factors involved in so-called preventable health conditions. Find out how your genes, foods that you eat, and lifestyle impact your weight, sleep, stress, appetite, blood sugar, cholesterol, inflammation, and much more. We help you to build healthier habits that reduce disease risk with practical tips and tools to improve your overall wellness. Optimal Health is your personal nutrition and lifestyle coach. Our team of nutritionists have put this together for you. You get your very own personalised nutrition and lifestyle plans. Order online today and we will post your Optimal Health test kit to you. When the test kit arrives, follow the instructions and then register your kit and log in to the Optimal Health portal. You then provide a cheek swab sample and ship the sample to the lab. We also include a prepaid envelope for this. It's that easy. Get started now. Order today to get your discount voucher.